Okay, so it's actually game time. So what we're going to do in this section is develop a game. So whilst the game itself is relatively simple, you will actually learn a lot about game development and the concepts and how it's different when you're programming games than it is an application. So I think you will find it very useful. So let's actually have a look at the game so you can sort of see what we're going to create first, and then we can actually move on to starting the actual programming. So I'm going to put the game on the screen now. And this is me playing it in the emulator. So as you can see, it's just a snake game. It's a pretty straightforward snake game, and you've probably seen this game before on older phones. Before smartphones come out, this was a very common sort of snake game that existed on phones. So I'll just go through and show you the various menus and so forth that make up the game. And you can see some of the animation that's in use there, so you'll be understanding how to do that once you've been through this. There's also, you probably noticed, a few different game modes as well. So this will obviously run on an Android device or an emulator. And this is the emulator that I'm running it in. Notice also when you get a point how the whole screen shakes. That's actually an animation effect as well that you'll learn how to do as well. I'll just let this video finish off. It doesn't actually go for too much longer. And you notice the two game modes. At the start there was a game mode where you use the arrows, top, down, left and right to navigate. This is using the actual swipe, so you're actually swiping in the direction you want to go to. So you can select either option in the settings. So that's actually it. That's the snake game that we're going to be creating in this section. So let's finish this video now and get into programming and starting the creation of this game in the next video.